Custom sleeved cables for your power supply to use in your gaming PC are expensive. Well, not really, but sometimes you just want a different color, maybe you don't want to buy them, or maybe you just sold a computer, your client wants to buy it tomorrow, and you're strapped for time. You don't have time to buy some extensions, speaking from experience. So you will have to paint your power supply cables. And there are certain cables which are very tricky to paint, like the 12 volt high power cable on a 1200 watt 80 plus platinum power supply, like the Sama P1200 we have in this basically $4,000 gaming computer. So can you paint it? Guys, I don't know. We're giving it a shot today. So if I fail, you're with me. If I manage to, it's actually very good to know. The main difficulty is going to be that, as you can see, there are various cables, so you have to paint in between them, and also you have to touch them to install them, so the paint has to stick. Now, I figured the automotive sector has decent paint, so I got that. And on this channel, we painted our motherboard, our RAM, our GPU, we painted a lot of stuff, so I figured we are qualified to attempt this. And if this goes bad, I will have a very disappointed client. So I say we get straight into it. The first step is going to be try to mask the actual connector of our cable by putting some duct tape over it. Now, as soon as we've done that, we can then start painting our cables. Now, first of all, I want to try to paint them on a flat surface, but then if needed, I want to just hold them by the connector up top so I can paint all around them and make sure I do that for a few times, probably 3 or 4 coats of paint to make that stick. And if the 12 volt high power cable comes out decent, we can then move forward to a 24 pin. And here we are after painting. So we ended up doing quite a few things differently. And I learned a lot from this, actually. So first of all, yes, you can do it because the PC is working. I also decided to completely skip the test run part in which maybe you try to connect the power supply to a tester to make sure you don't fry a $5,000 computer, and just plug it straight into the PC because I figured I'm a pretty lucky guy overall. But with that said, I ended up painting the cables straight while hanging. I did not do a first part with the cables lying down flat, and that's the first thing I can recommend to you guys. I think it's almost necessary because if not, the paint is gonna go everywhere. Now, you should do light coats, okay? I did heavy coats simply because I did not have much paint of that automotive black. I had just regular black, so I wanted to use it the best I could, and with more coats you waste more paint. I also wanted to cover the cables in a heavier way so that they wouldn't really just return white as soon as I put my hands on them to actually mount them, because that's the main thing. Even though after you mount the PC, nobody's going to touch the cables. You actually have to mount them. And if you have a PC like this, where it's pretty tricky to slot them in, well, you're going to have to handle them quite a bit, pass them through cutouts. So you want them to be properly painted, almost as if you had to paint something which had to be handled. Now, after the cable is in the PC, you don't have to worry about the paint getting damaged. We saw that with GPUs, with motherboards, with RAM. It's okay. As long as you use acrylic paint, you're going to be absolutely fine. Now, I also did a pretty good job in the cover-up part with duct tape. I think that's probably the most important part, because if the paint goes over the connectors, especially for the 12 volt high power cable, your GPU may not recognize your cable. So it's very important you cover it well, and I also think the dual color look looks pretty good. As you can see, you cannot see the white parts because I measured exactly where they ended, but it's also pretty easy because the connector has a little level difference where it actually goes inside the GPU or the motherboard. Now, how long did I let it dry? Actually, a few hours outside. Then I brought them inside and I did hang them on a chair still to avoid touching them, and I left it the whole night just to be sure. And now they're fully dry and they're not really losing pieces. Only the duct tape was losing pieces, but that's normal because we compressed it. So it's perfectly fine. I'm actually very happy with the results. And of course, this PSU had a double 12 volt high power cable, so it was a little bit safer trying it out. But you can do it very well even on a PC with a single cable, and as you can see, that's what I did with the 24 pin. I would also recommend doing an extra clear coat on top of it. It's generally more resistant, and if you really want to handle it, it's probably going to give it a little bit more protection, but I did not do it this time, and for me it wasn't really needed. So going on to the conclusions, yes, you can paint PSU cables. Would I recommend it? Yes, only if you want to do something custom, which you cannot just buy from an extension, especially if you want to paint the actual plastic parts as well. That's something you don't really find on the market, so I can see why you would want to do that. However, it's pretty time consuming, but I want to say it's pretty safe if done properly. As usual, I want to hear what you guys think about it. I know some of you guys are a lot better than me in those DIY things, so please let me know down below. And if you liked the video, please drop a like, subscribe, and you can also now become a member to support me. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.